yakorewe abantu b'icyo kubizamaho kakorana.
Ebi babigambira obo ekitongole kya British Council bakwatanise na n'ekitongole kya Wiro International abatwire nibakorera mu district ya Bushenyi okumara emyezi 18 oba abantu bahaye Kukoresa ebirumu ebya saruni byokora sabuni emigati n'ebindi Eminyeeto ibegeise okuba kubasa koresa emikono yabo isaho omyoga etari emwe n'emwe omukoro ogu bagukoreire mu mbuga nkuru eza Town Council eya Kyamuhunga.
There is no money in government offices. The money is in business. Now that you've acquired the skills of soap making, baking, salon, then let's go and use all our energy to ensure that one, we transform our societies.
Actually, this is just a start. It's very easy.
Aba Wiro International hamwe n'aba British Council bashoborere bimwe bigenderwa byabo ebyarezera amana bagato mu Bushenyi.
Another major objective was empowering youth to achieve social change. Turamanya ngu aba Eminyeeto niyo community. So okwegesa Eminyeeto turamanyisa ngu kwegesa for future.
Most recently, the BMM program started from 2024. This was a flagship program for Uganda, and we chose to start with Bushenyi as one of our flagship districts. And this has further strengthened our ties that we have had with our running Bushenyi.
Monica Chamazima Director wa Wiro International nawe yatangariza aha bintu ebagezeho kora bakwatanise na nabebembezi.
Adapting local safeguarding strategies for a community funa solutions for the problems within the community is really relevant to the community. Tikugira hati twija tamanye bibonere bibiye bitukabita. We have tried to work with the platform members in the communities to find solutions that are relevant and adaptable to the situations here.
Abebyo kwerinda omurushenyi bashobora emiringo y'abantu babutosha barukutsubwamu ombyanga bitu.
Some little research we did in 2017 when they were killing women, especially in Nasa and Abaita Babiri. We found out that there were people behind their coming to the streets. When they beg, at the end of the day, that money is picked from them. So there are people who are benefiting. So human trafficking is real.
Also at the borders where people are trafficked, especially children under 18 years. Most people are taken for work when they are not yet ready. Most people suffer under harsh conditions, especially those who are doing child labor.
Eminyeeto itwagambaho nayo yatunge Kukoresa bayoreko kushemerwa kandi bataraganisa okuba rukwisha kubikoresage ngo hakuba ebimwe bire baremerigura abwibura lya sente.
Bintu already byatanse tuyamba abo kuba twagera gukora skills twabanza twashita makitu nk'Eminyeeto twatandika project ezi. So ebe bamba twabya ngutondera okutwongeraho no kuzera hati bayongera mu capital abo hamwe tubintu manga machine zitazine takubasa bei yazo ushangana hamwe nk'ebintu mu mbugura sente nyingi nkazasampo nkezo kureba
hati twe nk'Eminyeeto turebire ngo umuntu wawe ine skill yawe yo kora eyo kubasa kuyamwe kintu income generating activity kitakubasa kote mu bijungu wano kore kintu cyawe nemukono yo peyira yakasente kawako ako kubisa hiyo nk'Eminyeeto nipamya ngutino muntu wanaraze kubiya byakuherezo murimo akaputara kose bwa usigara akakunyaga kasente
agaga shakori vya nasasra Ahabwa tayari West omuru Bushenyi.